Evan's on his playmat now. You can tell he's getting a lot bigger on it. He's actually grabbing for the stuff that hangs off of it now. Before he only liked the lights on the side, but now he just saw the ceiling fan. That's what that big smile was for. But he's starting to grab for things. See, he's getting it. Oh. Evan, what is that, baby? Today was Mommy's first day back to work, and Evan's been really good for her. Look at him try to grab that. Oh, he got it. He's trying to put it in his mouth. How funny. Oh, almost again. What is that, Evan? Going for it again. Instead, he's just going to put his hand in his mouth. What is that, Evan? What is that, baby? Evan. Evan. Good boy, Evan.